Okay, very well. So we click on the little range, click on Excel import, choose the Excel file, go to my computer, and choose the corresponding file, let it upload. That is the part that might take a few seconds. But as soon as that is done, it will prompt us for field names. And as soon as it has field names, we match the fields and continue. Taking a little longer than usual. Maybe because I am recording video. Okay, it's almost ready now. There we go. And now it's going to give us a list of fields. The fields that we have match exactly the field names. So you just drag them one by one, all of them. And that's it. As soon as you're done, you click on Next. You click on Continue. You make sure that the first one is selected, and you click on Import. And you're done. At that moment, you can continue. Go back to the range and click on Excel Import again and move on to the next file, and so on and so on. And that's it.